On a stop in St. Louis, Governor Nixon signed into law 2 bills aimed at protecting the health and safety of Missouri's children and youth.
Our future depends on the young, but until then, they depend on us to keep them healthy and safe.
Senate Bill 230, or Chloe's Law, will require screening for critical congenital heart disease for every child born in Missouri.
Using a simple, affordable device called a pulse oximeter, which measures oxygen in the blood.
The law is named after Chloe Manns of Lee Summit, who was born with the condition. Prior to leaving the hospital with her new baby, Chloe's mother, Kelly, insisted her daughter be screened, a decision that ultimately revealed Chloe's congenital heart defect and led to a surgery that saved her life.
Chloe is wonderful. You would never know that she was born with 4 heart defects. She will need at least 1, if not 2 more surgeries in the future, but for now, she's just your typical playful 4-year-old.
The second bill, signed by Governor Nixon, House Bill 505, strengthens Missouri's law to prevent child abuse and neglect. Now, mandatory reporters are required to directly notify the Missouri Children's Division of suspected cases. Previously, state law allowed mandatory reporters, as required by their job to report suspected child abuse and neglect, to tell a supervisor within their organization.
We must speak for those who cannot speak for themselves and break the insidious wall of silence that too often surrounds these cases.
What drove this was the Penn State issue. That's been on our minds since that happened, and everybody has said, what can we do better as society and as protectors of society to really make sure this doesn't happen in Missouri?
This is not a responsibility that any of us pass to anyone else. The reporters have that responsibility, and I thank that bipartisan group for coming up with this common sense, aggressive, appropriate solution that will save and change lives in the future.
For information on other bills signed by the governor, visit mo.gov. For Missouri Now, I'm Jacqueline Lapine.